Derekh Chamblee again. It's winding up on, about, I don't know if you can see the clock tower there, 5 after 5. It's still Thursday, February 23rd, 2017, and I'm at the intersection of Peachtree Battle Avenue and Peachtree Road, Chamblee, Atlanta, the next great American city, Battleground Zero, the epicenter of the 2017 civil defense of the United States of America. And as I was saying before, a few minutes ago, in that communique, I was threatened by the security company that secures this whole block down here. However, I'm on the public sidewalk with my signs. I don't know if you can see them. Jesus is King. And I think that's a security guard right there. Not sure. But at any rate, he might be getting off now. But at any rate, yeah, and I've, of course, got my signs. Jesus is King. And I don't know if you can see this. Google Derekh, D-E-R-E-K-H, Trump. And, yeah, so constantly threatened by that security company. And, but Jesus is King, and there are people out here that are Googling Derekh Trump and hitting videos. At any rate, following the executive actions of our current president, Donald Trump, about his 10,000 new super feds, we call them super feds, with super federal powers to detain not just suspected illegal immigrants and undocumented citizens, undocumented immigrants and workers, but also with super federal powers to crush the protests by arresting and detaining and transporting those in the protest groups, identifying them as possible potential enemy combatants. And so we're still following that story. The major media has picked up on some memos coming out of Homeland Security this week, starting with the Washington Post on the weekend, and they really give a glimpse of what this current president, the kind of power that he's taking, this super federal force of 10,000 agents may not be uniformed and they may not be funded out of the Immigration and Customs Enforcement, ICE. They may be funded out of the Treasury Department, the Secret Service, or some other particular source of federal funding. Don't expect them to be uniformed. And they're going to be dispatched to the major, as we said before, the major federal cities. There's at least 12 Federal Reserve Bank cities. And we expect them to be dispatched to. Oh, I don't know if you could see that. I think I was covering a lot of that up there. But anyway, this is Derekh Chamblee, CyberCitizen Network, the 5th Congressional District of Congressman John Lewis, that our current president says is all talk and no action. It's Derekh Chamblee, CyberCitizen Network, all talk, executive, Trump, action. Thank you very much.